SB19 Pablo, Ken, and Josh talk about their favorite Avignon treatments and the importance of self-care.
Hello everyone, I'm Pablo and I'm one of the Avignon ambassadors. Siguro the first thing that comes to my mind is relaxation talaga. Siguro yung go-to skincare treatment ko dito sa Avignon is yung Silk Peel Facial. Gustong-gusto ko yun kasi may nilalagay silang mask na sobrang lamig sa mukha. After siyang ilagay, meron silang pinidikit na parang ice cubes or ice balls na feeling ko sobrang nakaka-refresh talaga sa pakiramdam. Talagang parang bago ulit yung mukha mo. Feeling mo natanggal lahat ng impurities. And parang confident ka ulit humarap sa lahat ng tao. So, yun yung talagang ginagawa ko palagi pag nandito ako sa Avignon. Siguro, it's very important because we're not just singers. Siyempre, alam naman natin na kapag singer ka, kailangan mo alagaan yung boses mo. And kapag puyat ka or hindi ka nasa tamang kondisyon, siyempre kasama dyan yung tulog, yung natural hygiene, hindi mo maibibigay yung best performance na maibibigay mo. Kaya, ayun, sobrang importante siya. And especially sa amin na sumasayaw din, kailangan siya. So, siguro yung soft wave kasi nabalitaan ko maganda daw yan eh. Gusto ko yung sa busy schedule kasi namin mahirap humanap ng oras, and syempre gusto namin yung madalian, yung walang downtime. So I guess soft wave. Gento, kasi sa Gento pinapakita niya yung individuality namin, and at the same time kami as a grupo, as SB19.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken and I'm one of the ambassadors of Avignon Clinic. Self-care, beauty, and skin. Kasi makikita mo naman yung Avignon na skincare clinic sila. So, kumbaga yan talaga yung pinaka-first na darating sa isip mo. And of course, siguro yung care nila, especially for us, I think they're really, careful when it comes to our skins also, at talagang naalagaan nila. Hydrofacial, of course, kailangan maging kasi ako meron akong dry skin, naturally dry talaga yung skin ko. So usually pinapagawa ko talaga dito hydrofacial para moisturize yung skin ko talaga. Kasi sobrang important sa amin na moisturize yung skin palagi. Yep. As an artist, it is so important para sa amin itong klaseng bagay, especially yung self-care, yung pag-alaga namin ng skin, kasi as much as possible, kumbaga ka pa rin kumbaga public figure ka kasi artist ka nga, diba? So kailangan mo ring alagaan yung skin mo and yung sarili mo para pag nakita ka ng ibang tao, pleasant ka sa paningin nila. So yeah. Soft wave, feel ko yan pa yung hindi ko pa talaga na try ngayon, and it's really new, so gusto ko talaga i-try yan. Soft wave, let's go. Gento. Always Gento.
Hello, I'm Josh, and I'm an ambassador for Avignon Clinic. Perfection. Kasi syempre, di ba? This is why you go to these kinds of world-class clinics, kasi you want to achieve perfection. And of course, as for me, a perfectionist, I always go to Avignon, and I choose Avignon for perfection. Exilis talaga, kasi it tightens your skin, and especially if you're feeling bloated, yun talaga yung parang nakaka-help for me, para mas magmukhang young look eh. Wow, alam niyo na yung it is very important kasi most of the time, hindi na namin gagawa yung self-care. Because, of course, hook na hook kami dun sa mga craft namin. And of course, with all these endorsements, performances, big stages, mahirap talaga siya isingit. But thanks to Avignon, na very accessible, and nandiyan lagi, every time na kailangan namin. Yun doon namin mas naalagaan and mas na-pamper or nagkakaroon kami ng pamper day. So it is really very important, especially if you have time. If you take care of yourself, you'll feel more confident, of course. Siguro yung Softwave. Kasi I've heard na mas precise siya when it comes to tightening, especially with the eyes. And syempre, parang ito yung isa sa mga biggest asset ko eh. So talagang gusto ko siya masubukan, and it's a new product of Avignon. Of course, I'm so excited to do it. Siguro mana kasi physically tiring dahil sa dance steps, yung mga contraction, so you need more core. Doon papasok yung M-Sculpt ni Avignon. Hindi, pero yun eh, yung parang pag kumakanta ka, tapos ginagamit mo ng maigi yung core mo doon sa mga dance steps na yun, medyo mahirap siya kontrolin. So I'd go with mana. I think pare-pareho kami ng sigot dyan. Or hindi ko pala alam.